What is the least possible value of the following expression for real numbers x and y? I'm going to play around with this expression a little bit. So if we expand these terms, expanding this term, we're going to get this is equal to, it's xy minus 1 times xy minus 1. So this is equal to the following. Okay? So that, and then plus this times x plus y. And this is equal to we can add these together and we get the following expression. These will cancel. Of these terms, we can factor out an x squared. We get x squared times y squared plus 1. That's this is equal to that. And then we just have here plus y squared plus 1. Then it's interesting to note that of these two expressions, the common term is y squared plus 1. So we can factor out y squared plus 1. And that is equal to x squared plus 1. And so we have this. So this that we started out with is equal to this. One thing to note about this is y squared and x squared will always be positive numbers. So therefore, it's impossible for this to be greater than 1. The smallest, if we want to minimize, in order to make this the smallest possible expression, we want to minimize this and this. To make this the smallest possible expression, it can be equal to 1 or greater than 1. So let's make it equal to 1. And in order to do that, x squared must equal 0, and therefore x must equal 0. And same thing here, y squared must equal 0, therefore y is equal to 0. And so this expression, when minimized, is 1 times 1, because we had even like a third squared. That's going to then be a ninth. That's going to be greater than 1. So we have, yeah, and even if this was a fraction 2, this would be greater than 1. Two numbers greater than 1 when multiplied will still be greater than 1. But when minimized, we have 1 times 1, which is 1. And that is our answer. The least possible value of this for real numbers x and y is choice D.